Let's take a look at this week's Trade of the Week. I'm Lee Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. I'm starting this week with our daily trade report, the DMM Daily Market Mover, because it shows something very interesting. For 3 weeks in a row, if you notice here, we've been stopped out on natural gas. So there's been 3 losing trades in a row on natural gas. That has not occurred for more than 6 months. You have to go back to February to find 3 trades in a row that didn't work. So our daily reports can be a market gift. They can give you a tremendous amount of help in making a decision as to what you're going to do in the trade that day. I decided, because the probabilities were so fantastic, that 3 losing trades in a row on natural gas was going to give us a winner this week. So that's what I was figuring on. Now, a few things threw some monkey wrenches into the trade. Let me show you the market, the way the market was behaving right before the trade. Now, there were a few different issues that take place before a trade that you want to look at. We have an indicator on our charts that shows this number in the right side of the chart, and it says 148. That means that natural gas had moved over 130 ticks. That's more than $1 in value before the trade. That's during the day, just generally during the day. But if you look here, if you go back to 10:20, which was only 9 minutes ago, natural gas had moved over 50 ticks. That's a monstrously big move. So one thing you have to understand about the psychology of trading, you can always find a multitude of reasons not to take a trade. Sometimes it's just your own fear stopping you from taking a trade. Sometimes it is evidence that the market is trying to give you that it might be unsafe at that moment to take a trade. It might be too risky. In this particular case, I had the incredible strength of our daily report telling us 3 losses in a row on natural gas, unheard of that there would be a 4th. More than 6 months since it's happened that there were even 3. But the market was giving us some serious warning signs. Over 145 ticks of movement during the day, which is very large volatility in natural gas. And then 9 minutes before the trade, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, either way, a move of more than 50 ticks is very large, and that could be a warning. Maybe you should not take this trade. But I was listening to my daily report, which told me the key bit of info. And that info was very powerful evidence. We had 3 stop outs in a row. The probability trade today was natural gas was going to work. And if it works, that means it's going to pay me. Now, natural gas is very risky. It can act in a way that can really hurt an account. So when you trade it, you have to know the way it behaves, and you don't want to take extra risk. But I went for extra profit on this trade. Instead of going for just 5 or 7 ticks, I went for 15. I thought, if my theory was right, taking this great probability trade, natural gas was going to make me at least 15 ticks, $150 in a matter of seconds. Our orders are on the chart, those little X's. Natural gas shoots down, hits my target, and I'm out of the trade in less than 5 seconds with a $150 profit. Let me show you that again. Watch this natural gas trade. Our software puts those little X's. Natural gas news comes out. The price shoots down, and it hits my target in less than 5 seconds, and I've got my profit, $150 in a matter of seconds. Just wanted to show you why natural gas was a great trade of the week this week. Lessons learned. The reports that we sell at an incredibly low price are really worth it. They help me every day in the trade room. And I just wanted to remind everybody we have a great offer going on our reports. Just $27 for 3 months. Let me show you the deal. Hey, you know what? Let me show you that natural gas trade screen first, just so you could see it. It's always fun to see the true candle. Price went down. That little mark there is my target, 150 in a matter of seconds, 4 seconds. Now, what I was saying about our reports, you saw how much it helped me in that trade. If you want to get those reports at an awesome deal, we had a webinar yesterday. We're offering 3 months for just $27. I'm going to put the link up for you. Here's the link, www.getdmmnow.com. Sign up today. It's Saturday. We'll give you a free week in the trade room next week. www.getdmmnow.com. Just $27 for 3 months of our daily reports. And that, my friends, is why natural gas was this week's trade of the week. Lee Goldstein, have a great rest of your week and weekend. I'll see you in the trade room.